just had a wonderful afternoon eating picanha and hanging out with friends, and it was a nice warm breeze going through the entire place. And
Hannah!
you guys are here!
Hey, what's up? Hey, mahala! Mahala!
So this is what living the dream feels like. The tropical storm, good friends.
I am a tropical storm. That's what they call me.
Jason's a tropical storm. And look, Juliana and Bear. Oh my gosh, this is like a storm is brewing in the Keys. This is going to be so exciting. It's going to rain. This is Juliana. This is Eastman. Bear, guess what?
Bear, come say hi.
Come say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Look. Hi. This is a multi-factor, and this is the best fun ever. Mwah. You're such a bachelor bear.